Hello guys, we are here from videogames.lu. The FGC guys are all gathered up and we want to play some good ass Street Fighter.
Yeah, all the boys are here. We got the boy Actorus
Hey guys.
and the boy Sof.
What up?
Fantastico Mike, as we like to call him. And just
Fantastic.
It can only be fantastic if you play this character.
You also play Vega? Oh, that's great.
Huh?
Then ready up, bitch.
Yeah, just
So
start.
ladies first. Wow.
Kinda.
All this aggression.
You really get the grit?
Oh, you wanted something else?
Yeah.
Okay, then let's pick something else next time.
I know because of the lag and so, but I don't know.
Show you the divide in our class.
That's so shallow. Oh, okay.
Yeah, I know how to punish.
My beauty intoxicate you.
Mittlerweile.
Round one. Fight.
Folksies. I've got everything.
Okay, I see everything on normal.
Oh, that reach. Oh,
Oh, I wanted to play a Sam show.
that shimmy.
Shimmy shimmy. Ooh, I like the Vega, with this Vega outfit.
Yeah, it's in orange.
Yeah, it looks fabulous, huh?
It's the videogames.lu colors.
shit.
How did I miss that?
Oh, I see, yeah, okay. Because of the orange, though.
Yeah, he's one of us.
That would have been a kill if I punished that. You got lucky.
Yeah, but can't grab Sulf.
Nope. Nope. Oh, that move. Oh, God. That move.
Nice one.
Wow. I remembered something.
And I counter with that move.
I'm like, huh?
Huh?
The non-fireball fireball.
I mean, you still got it. Huh? I mean, even though,
I mean, don't underestimate Rod's love for Vega. That's one of his.
I can tell. I mean,
Oh, you bad. Oh.
Even though, even though. I mean, it takes maybe some time to get used again, but
yeah, I guess for you it's like riding a bike, like not really
yeah.
forgotten, as I see.
I mean, Street Fighter is also not that difficult of a game to go back into.
That's true. And I got used to certain movesets.
Mm. Oh, Discord is kind of fucking up, I think. Kann das sein?
Ah, shit. Oh, I wanted to. Yeah, command grab. I tried to attack that and then. Oh, yeah, to command.
Yeah, command. The zone.
Ah, I messed up my corners here.
Yeah, I saw that.
Fight.
Oh.
Damn.
Orochi.
No, I don't have to do anything. Oh, no! The combo!
They both seem pretty concentrated, so
Pretty patient.
yeah, exactly.
Oh, God! That drop. Oh, no.
Like no one wants to make a mistake.
Just blame the lag, Mike.
Ah! God! Ah, that move! Please!
Yo.
Nice one.
Oh, I messed up the combo. And I dropped the meat.
Damn. No.
Oh, this time. This time.
The medium low kick.
It's not even a low.
Cutting wins.
It's like, no, it's not a low.
A light kick. I wanted to say light kick.
A few days ago we had like Samsho session They always went on timeout. But now we have some now we have some Street Fighter sessions, and they are also slow as fuck.
I'm more of a defensive player.
Me too.
Oh,
It's all that Sam show.
Defensive player because of the playstyle of the character or personal preference?
oh, Korean player are usually not the most patient one.
Yo, what happened?
I mean, you got Vega in the corner. What can Vega do?
Oh yeah, at the corner. Forget it. Karin in the corner is like
Corner, like fucking
Impressive.
corner.
That was rough. That was pretty rough.
oh, that's sweet.
You wanna do that? That's okay.
I think it's a bit delayed because you're spoiling us.
Oh,
I hear you say sweep, and I didn't see no sweep.
that's the usual. Oh,
It's the spectator mode. It's okay.
Oh, okay. I cannot do that.
yeah, don't do that. You annoyed me so much with that move when we first met that I learned the punish just for that.
You're doing the right thing. Going back to the lab again. Oh.
Okay. Okay, okay.
Okay.
Oh,
I see you.
let's see what it did. Oh,
Yo.
I will never react to
I
that.
mean, I'm gonna keep doing it.
Ah,
What's it called again? Scarlet Terror?
No,
it is terrifying.
it's Sky High Claw.
Sky High Claw, yeah. I always forget the name. Even though I eat those in Street Fighter 4. It was just the cross-up special.
Oh, come on.
Is there a difference with Vega when he loses?
Yeah.
Oh, God.
I mean, with the hitbox?
Yeah, he has. Yeah, I think so.
No, because I. Or does that seem? Is there a way for him to recover the claw after he loses it, or no?
He gets all the normals, right?
Yeah.
Okay. He can't get the claw when he once loses it, right?
No.
Damn, I'm rusty. Yo, again a Samsho game. Ipomme. Shobu.
Oh no!
Oh, where was the confirm? Where was the confirm?
No!
Yo, that's
The bait.
that's
I thought you would go for another command grab.
No.
Should have jumped.
Yo, Alex, we will never play. What?
Oh no, he never does a second command grab.
I sometimes do though.
The bacon.
I'm playing really patiently because I actually forgot everything.
Oh, I didn't play this game for a long time. Option select. Oh, the corner again, man.
Just jump. And he does.
He dies at the right time. Poke, poke.
Oh, the sweep!
You know Vegas likes to sleep. Sleep, yeah, sweep.
Yeah, sleep, yeah. Sleep on the ground. Unexpected! Nope.
Oh wow.
I didn't want to do that. Hard.
Oh! Oh, I forgot he can do that.
Oh. I didn't want to sweep that though. I should have done the other VP reverse.
Let me guess, this is gonna end 2-1.
Oh, wow. Wow, not even blocking.
Oh wow.
Good job.
Stop.
Yo, I kind of realize now that the training stage is really pretty boring, man. Why you do this?
No! Wow. Wow.
I told you, 2-1.
Wow. What a watch.
We're gonna be waiting, man. We're gonna be playing when Corona is over. But those are nice matches, though.
Nah.
Ah, come on. Ah.
I should do something, but I forgot. What?
No, no. No, 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 no.
No, no,
Oh, damn, that's anti-air.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Oh. I'm rusty. I still got it.
Vega wins.
I'm rusty. Might delete later.
I guess.
I'm rusty. Might delete later. I feel cute. Nice play though, Mike. Really patient. Really annoying.
Oh, you're saying I'm annoying. Have you seen
mean-
that reach?
How?
You just play start. Push start.
Ah, start. Okay. Yeah, I was pushing.
It has been a long.
It has
It's been a minute.
It has been a minute. Oh, now the brother. Now I have to remember everything Bison does, and you're warmed up now.
We call it one up. We go to the
Wow.
last stage. after-
Wow, that shade though.
Ah, think.
Come on, Vega, you now got your stage, so there's no reason to lose now.
Bad stage.
Oh.
It's bad.
It's bad when I do the thing.
It's bad.
Yo, I wanna grab like Samsho.
Yeah, I did that too.
Fuck. Where's my Ethan? What?
What happened? What happened?
Yo, I already told you, you're warmed up. I'm not. Give me some time.
Damn.
No.
Where my buttons at? What? Yeah, I blocked
He
that.
blocked
I blocked that
He
shit.
blocked that.
I ate too many of those. What?
What?
No.
Oh, fuck you, man. Never works against you.
Ooh. That ad bro though.
Yeah, exactly. I was thinking the same thing.
You motherfucker. You move the fuck it.
Oh, here comes the comeback.
Ooh.
Wow.
I think Bison is warming up now.
Oh.
Yo, the pump back. I said pump back. Ponadu.
Wow.
Bum back.
I came back. I'm warmed up now. Now watch him do a perfect. No.
Wow, he dashed.
I know the timing.
Wow. Yeah, Bison dash.
No. That's plus.
Yeah. I shouldn't.
Everything Vega does is plus. I should know better, but I still press.
No!
Oh, that pressure. Oh.
Oh, it has cross up because it's fucking Street Fighter.
Yo, it's Capcom game, it's not SNK, dude.
I actually won this game.
Milkman Bison wins.
He's all warmed up.
I'm not warmed up.
Fir-
like,
first round,
gonna lose.
first round is data. Play again.
I actually let you win because otherwise you would bully me again.
Huh?
Bully beatdown. No.
Aha.
The dash ups.
Wow.
That bison tag.
No.
No, oh Madonna. Loved that.
Sounding like a villain from Hokuto no Ken. No. No.
Dance no Vega ka.
In before dash jump command grab. Nope.
Yeah, you can feel the intensity in the match. Both are really concentrated.
Oh, the throw.
Still had Beach Trill. I thought you.
What?
No.
No
What
connection.
happened?
I won.
Wow.
Connection.
I won.
Rage quit?
I don't know. Maybe someone.
I don't know. I don't know what.
I'm still in.
Everybody. Oh,
yeah.
I'm
Okay.
out.
insane.
Rod rage quitted.
No, I'm out. I'm actually not online anymore.
Oh,
online.
you got the